Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of What's Your Game Plan? This series is called Brands You Should Know, and today's brand is one that you might already know, Canva. If you're a creator, you probably used Canva's design software before, but do you know about Canva's brand story? Stay tuned and I'll share the top reasons why you should use Canva and tell you about their commitment to making a difference in the design community. Canva is an Australian design software company that has quickly become a major player in the graphic design industry. Founded in 2012, Canva aimed to make design simple, accessible, and affordable for everyone. I use Canva almost every single day, and I'll tell you, back in 2012, we didn't have anything like this. Canva has been a true blessing to my life, and I'm sure that it's been a blessing to many others as well. The company has grown exponentially over the years and now has millions of users worldwide. Canva has made it their mission to provide a broad range of online tools that actually make it easy for users to create professional-looking designs on the go. Let's take a look at why so many people think buying Canva is a wise investment. Okay guys, Canva is truly taking the limits off of modern-day design. Users get access to thousands of pre-made templates, images, graphics, fonts, all of these things to create any kind of design that you want. The tools are awesome for collaborating with your team and actually help to boost team productivity. Most brands these days struggle to win the trust of their users. Not Canva. Their goal was to empower creators to bring their ideas to life. And because of this, Canva has been a go-to resource for individuals and companies of all sizes. When it comes to graphic design, Canva offers an extremely user-friendly experience. You don't have to get a degree in graphic design. They made everything drag and drop, so it's super easy to create. If you want to take your design experience to the next level, go with Canva's Pro package. With this subscription, you'll get access to over 60 million images, over 6,000 templates, and advanced design features like animation and video editing. And to me, this package is the best bang for your buck. Canva is proud to offer plans that fit any kind of budget. They offer a free version of their service, as well as 3 paid plans that range from $9.95 to $30 a month. And I love that Canva recognizes that different businesses have different needs, so they created pricing structures that matches those needs. All in all, Canva is a great platform that offers a range of features that can help create stunning visuals for any kind of business. People always ask me, who creates the graphics for your show? And I tell them, I do in Canva. So, are you team Canva? Share this post under the hashtag. I want to see how many Canva fans we actually got out there. Drop me a comment and let me know if you're currently using Canva and what your experience has been like with the platform. And by the way, I'm giving away my best-selling leadership book on PDF for free. If you want it, just go to my website, enter in your email address, and I'll send it to you right away. If you know someone who needs to see this today, tag a friend, hit like, and please give it a share. And until next time, guys, take care.